Hello students, welcome to Don Bosco PU College online classes. We are trying our best to make teaching learning experience easy to our students. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.
Good morning students, myself Abdul Wahab, Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In this video class, I am going to discuss one more biology model question paper. The part A, 1 marks question. The first question is, what is the function of tapetum? Tapetum, this is the structure present in the anther. This tapetum main function is to nourish the developing pollen grains. To nourish the developing pollen grains. Next, the second question, define spermiation. Spermiation. Spermiation means it is the release of sperm from the seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules are the structural and functional unit of testes. These seminiferous tubules able to release the sperms is called as spermiation. Spermatogenesis is different. Spermatogenesis means the process in which formation of sperm in the seminiferous tubule. The spermiation means releasing of sperm. Okay. The third question, what are MTPs are legally restricted in our country, justify by giving reason. MTP means medically terminated pregnancy. Okay. The main reason is to check the increasing of female foeticides. Foeticides, think about killing of embryo, abortion. Fourth question, name any one autosomal recessive disorder. Autosomal means body chromosomal recessive disorder. That is the best example either sickle cell anemia or phenylketonuria or thalassemia. Next question, which RNA is also called adapter molecule? Nothing but tRNA, transfer RNA, because this transfer RNA able to adopt a specific type of amino acids. Next, cancer patients are treated with alpha interferon, give reason. Because alpha interferon activates the immune system to destroy the tumor. Here interferons are nothing but able to kill the or destroy the some extent of a cancerous cells and gives the immunity. Seventh, name the pathogenic virus which is used as biocontrol agent. Biocontrol agents, nothing but some microorganisms which are able to control pesticides, insecticides, okay, and other chemicals. Here the pathogenic virus is nothing but baculoviruses, which is useful in biocontrol agents. Next, what is RNA? I means interference, RNA interference. It is the silencing of specific mRNA due to complementary dsRNA, double-stranded RNA molecule that binds to and prevents the translation. When the specific mRNA due to complementary double-stranded RNA molecule that binds and prevents the translation. When the prevention of translation occurs, that is nothing but the NRA interference. Write the equation of representing logistic growth. dn divided by dn is equal to Rn. This is the equation. State the result of David Tillman's long-term ecosystem experiment. David Tillman's long-term ecosystem experiment is the plots with more species showed less year-to-year variation in total biomass. In total biomass, every year there is a showing of more species, that is we are going to represent it as a plot, that is called the David Tillman long-term experiment. Next, part B. Part B. Answer any 5 of the following questions. Okay. The part B, the 5 questions are there. You are going to, here also you have to choice, and each question carries the 2 marks. First one, differentiate perisperm and pericarp. Perisperm and pericarp. Perisperm, it is a residual persistent nucellus in a seed, but the pericarp is the fruit wall formed from the wall of ovary. So don't be confused. When a fruit wall is formed from the wall of ovary, that is called as a pericarp. Perisperm, the persistent nucellus in a seed, is nothing but the perisperm. Next, list the hormones produced in women only during the pregnancy. One is HCG, human chronic gonadotrophin hormone. Another called the human prolactin hormone. One more is there, nothing but the progesterone hormone. Okay, progesterone hormone. Next, what is hibernation? Give an example. Hibernation means escaping of certain organisms from winter related problems is termed as hibernation. Some of the animals able to face some winter related problems. To avoid such problems, they escape. They are able to hide in particular places, that is called as a hibernation. Just example, a bears. Next, write one advantage and one disadvantage of external fertilization. External fertilization, basically the fertilization means the process in which fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. The fusion of male and female gamete inside the body is called internal fertilization. If the fusion of male and female sex gamete outside the body is called as a external fertilization. The advantage of external fertilization is they produce more progeny, more offsprings, and disadvantage is what the offsprings are there extremely vulnerable to predators, threatening their survival up to adulthood. One advantage is produce more young ones, more offsprings, but though offsprings are not all the offsprings are able to survive. Some are, most of the offsprings are vulnerable to predators. Then write a note on pollination mechanism in Vallisneria. In Vallisneria plant, the female flowers reach the surface of water by a long stalk. Okay. Second, the female flowers or pollen grains are released on the surface of the water. Third, they are carried passively by water current. Some of them eventually reach the female flower and the stigma. So these are the mechanisms. One is nothing but the long stalk, then released the pollen grains on the surface of the water, and third is nothing but the passive, the due to the water current they carried passively and reach the female flowers and the stigma. Next, write the scientific name of organism causing pneumonia, another called ringworm. Pneumonia, the 2 species are there. One is Streptococcus pneumoniae, another called a Haemophilus influenzae. These 2 are causative organisms to a disease called pneumonia. Ringworm, one thing, ringworm is different, roundworm is different. Roundworm, it is a Ascaris lumbricoides, it is a organism, animal. Ringworm, it is a disease, it is a fungal disease. Microsporum or Trichophyton or Epidermophyton. These are the species of fungus causes a disease called ringworm. Next, name any two bacteria used as biofertilizers. Biofertilizers, nothing but some of the microorganisms enrich the soil quality, that is called as a biofertilizers. The bacteria are, one is Rhizobium bacteria, Azotobacter, Azospirillum. These are the bacteria which are used as a biofertilizers. Then mention the reasons for infertility. Infertility means an organism unable to giving birth to the any young one. Okay, the reasons are physical body fitness may cause infertility, congenital by birth itself, diseases, if person undergo any type of the diseases, that disease also causes the infertility. Drugs, if any person undergo drug addiction, drug addiction, that also causes the infertility. Immunological and psychological. Okay, these are the reasons. Next, part C, 3 marks questions. First one, answer the following. 1. Compare geitonogamy with xenogamy. Geitonogamy, it is a transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of the another of the same plant. It means there are two same plants, are, for example, A and A plants. The transfer of pollen grains from A plant anther to the stigma of another A plant of the same species. Xenogamy is transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of different plants. That means there are two plants are there, A and B. In xenogamy, the transfer of pollen grains from the A anther to the stigma of B plant. Okay. Next, what are chasmogamous flowers? Chasmogamous flowers. The flowers with exposed anthers and stigma are called chasmogamous flowers. Okay, the flowers with exposed, the flower exposes the anthers as well as the stigma called as chasmogamous flowers. Next, 20th question. Mention the different blood groups in human and their possible genotypes having I allele. The possible genotypes of I allele is, and different blood groups are: A blood group having IA and small I. B blood group, the genotype are IB and I. And O blood group, small I and small I, recessive one. These are the possible blood groups. Next, list the accessory glands associated with male reproductive system. In male reproductive system, which are the accessory glands? Accessory glands are, one is seminal vesicles, another bulbourethral glands or Copper's gland, third one prostate gland. These are the accessory glands. Next, to a user, contraceptives must be ideal in all aspects. Justify the statement by mentioning the qualities of an ideal contraceptives. To a user, the contraceptives must be ideal in all aspects. How the contraceptives are ideal in all aspects? How means, one is the contraceptives are user friendly. Okay. Next, easily available. The contraceptives are available very easily. Then the contraceptives, there is no any side effects, and there is no any, and also they are reversible in nature, and the contraceptives should not interfere with the sexual act or drive or any desire of the user. There is no any act. And finally, the contraceptives are cost effective. These are the reasons. Next, differentiate active immunity from passive immunity. Okay. Then here the active immunity. It is acquired due to encounter with an antigen or pathogen. Active immunity encounter the acquired to encounter with an antigen or pathogen. Then in active immunity, the immunocompetent cells are involved. Okay. Then the acquisition of immunity is very slow. What the active immunity acquired, that immunity is very slow in nature. The acquired immunity for a lifetime, it will be stay long term, and there is no any side effect from the active immunity. Then passive immunity, it is acquired by directly by obtaining antibodies. By receiving antibodies from the others, it is called as a passive immunity. Here the immunocompetent cells are not involved. Then acquisition of immunity is faster. What the passive immunity, what the person receives the passive immunity from the others, that is through the antibodies, that immunity is very faster. Then immunity is short for period. The passive immunity is very short period but very faster. Active immunity is very slow but stay lifetime. And the passive immunity may be side effects, because the passive immunity we are going to receive from the others. Okay. Then 24th question. Here the two questions are there. Differentiate between microinjection and biolistics. Microinjection is the process of direct transformation of ribosomal DNA into nucleus of animal cell by microsyringes. So directly the rDNA transfer the nucleus, the process of direct transformation of rDNA into the nucleus of the animal cell by microsyringes. By using the microsyringes, the rDNA is transferred into the nucleus of the animal cell. It is called as a microinjection. Biolistics, or it is also called as a gene gun. So in plants, where the plant cells are bombarded with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with DNA, what happens? What we are going to collect the plant cells, those plant cells bombard a collision with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated DNA. Okay. Then the one more question in that, give an example for a disarmed pathogen vector. Nothing but Agrobacterium tumefaciens or retrovirus. These are the disarmed pathogen vector. Then what is biodiversity? Mention the types of biodiversity. Biodiversity, nothing but it is a combined diversity at all levels of biological organization, or variety of living organism present in a given area is called as a biodiversity. Bio means living organism. Diversity means variety of living organism. The types of biodiversity are genetic diversity, it means variety of genes. Species diversity, it is variety of species. Ecological diversity, that means nothing but the variety of ecosystem. Next, mention the three regions of transcription unit in a DNA. In the transcription unit, there are majorly three regions are there. One is promoter, second structural genes, third one terminator region. These are the three regions. Next, last question in the, sorry, this is the last question. Okay. So the 5 marks question, part D, 5 marks question in that section 1, section B. So the 5 marks questions we are going to discuss in the next class. While you are going to watching this video, better to put the settings like a clarity of settings is 320 or 480 in megapixel in each, then you are going to clearly visible the letters and also all those things. Okay, so remaining the continuation questions, 5 marks questions, you are going to discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you.